Hi students, now let us discuss properties of rational numbers. The first property is closure properties, second one is commutative properties, third one is associative properties, next fourth one is distributive properties. Now discuss the closure properties in natural number under these four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So let us discuss addition. What is sum of any two natural numbers? 2 is a natural number, 3 is a natural number. What is sum? 2 plus 3 equal 5. 5 is a natural number. So the sum of any two natural number is also natural number. So that closure property is satisfied under addition set of natural numbers. So natural numbers are closed under addition. If A and B, any two natural numbers, then the sum of A plus B is also natural numbers. So natural numbers are closed under addition. Now see the subtraction. 2, 3, any two natural numbers, what is the difference? 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is not natural number. So the closure property is not satisfied under subtraction set of natural numbers. If A and B, any two natural numbers, the difference A minus B is not natural numbers. So natural numbers are not closed under subtraction. Now discuss multiplication. 3 and 4, any two natural numbers, the product, what is the product? 3 into 4 equal 12. The product of any two natural number is also natural number. 12 is a natural number. So natural numbers are closed under multiplication. If A and B, then their product of A into B is also natural number. So natural numbers are closed under multiplication. Next discuss division. 3 and 4, any two natural numbers, what is quotient? 3 by 4 equal 0.75. 0.7 is a not natural numbers. So natural numbers are not closed division. If A and B, any two natural numbers, what is quotient? A divided by B is not natural number. So natural numbers are not under division. Now let us discuss closure properties in whole numbers under four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So let us discuss addition. What is sum of any two whole numbers? For example, 0, 4. These numbers is also whole numbers. What is sum? 0 plus 4 equal 4. 4 is a whole number. So the sum of any two whole number is also whole numbers. So natural whole numbers are closed addition means set of whole numbers. If A and B any two whole numbers, then sum of A plus B is also whole numbers. So whole numbers are closed under addition. Now see the discuss subtraction. 0, 4. Any two whole numbers, what is the difference? 0 minus 4 equal minus 4. Minus 4 is not whole number. Actually minus 4 is a integer number. So the closure property is not satisfied under subtraction in the set of whole numbers. If A and B any two whole numbers, then difference A minus B is not whole numbers. So whole numbers are not under subtraction. Now discuss multiplication. 0, 5. Any two whole numbers, the product, what is the product? 0 into 5 equals 0, 5 is 0. 0 is a whole numbers. The product of any two whole numbers is a whole numbers. So the closure property is satisfied under multiplication in the set of whole numbers. If A and B any two whole numbers, then their product of A into B is also whole numbers. So whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Next, division. Zero 5 is also whole numbers. 0 by 5. 0 5 is a rational number. 0 by 5 is not whole numbers. So that closure property is not satisfied under division in the set of whole numbers. If A and B any two whole numbers, the quotient A divided by B is not whole numbers. So whole numbers are not under division. Now let us discuss closure properties in integers under 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So let us discuss addition. -2, -3, any two integer numbers. What is sum? -2 plus 3 equal 1. 1 is a integer number. So the closure property is satisfied under addition in the set of integers. If A and B any two integers, then sum of A plus B is also integer numbers. So integers are closed under addition. Next, discuss subtraction. Any two integers numbers, what is the difference? -2 minus 3 equal -5. -5 is a integer numbers. So the sum of any two integer numbers is also integer numbers. So that closure property is satisfied under subtraction in the set of integers. If A and B any two integer numbers, then their difference A minus B is also integer numbers. So integers are closed under subtraction. Now discuss multiplication. Any two integer numbers, what is the product? Minus 3 into minus 4. Minus minus equal plus 3 4 is 12. Plus 12 is a integer numbers. So that the product of any two integer numbers is also integer numbers. If A and B any two integers, then their product of A into B is also integer numbers. So integer numbers are closed under multiplication. Next discuss minus 7 is an integer number, 21 is also integer numbers. What is quotient? Minus 7 by 21. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is a rational numbers. This form of P by Q. Q not equal 0. This is number is a rational number. This number is not integer numbers. So that closure property is not satisfied under division set of integer numbers. If A and B any two integer numbers, what is quotient of A divided by B is not integer numbers, belongs integer numbers, not belongs integers. So integers are not closed under division. Now let us discuss closure properties in rational numbers under these four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So let us discuss addition. 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Any two rational numbers. What is sum? 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Denominator LCM first of all. 3 4 ja 12. 3 4 ja 4 into 2 8 plus 4 3 ja 12. 3 into 3 equal 4 2 ja 8. 3 3 ja 9 by 12. 8 plus 9 equals 17 by 12. 17 by 12 is a rational number. P equal 17, Q equal 12. But Q not equal 0. This is a rational numbers. What is the sum of any two rational number is also rational numbers. If A and B any two rational numbers, then their sum of A plus B is also rational numbers. So that rational numbers are closed under addition. Now discuss the subtraction. For example, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. These numbers are also rational numbers. What is the difference? 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 equal, first of all, denominator LCM. 3 4 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. 4 into 2, 8 minus 4 3 ja 12. 3 into 3, 4 2 ja 8 minus 3 3 ja 9. 12 equal minus 1 by 12. Minus 1 by 12 is a rational number. Is this number form of P by Q. P and Q are integers, but Q not equal 0. This is a rational numbers. So that closure property is satisfied under subtraction in the set of rational numbers. If A and B, any two rational numbers, then difference A minus B is also rational numbers. So rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Next, multiplication. Any two natural numbers. I take 3 by 2 and 4 by 6. What is product? 3 by 2 into 4 by 6. Numerator, denominator multiplication. Numerator 3 4 ja 12. 2 6 ja 12. 12 1 ja 12. 1 is a rational number. So that closure property is satisfied under multiplication in the set of rational numbers. If A and B, any two rational numbers, then their product of A into B is also rational numbers. So, rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Next we discuss division. For example, 3 by 2, 0 by 2. This numbers is also rational number. What is quotient? 3 by 2 divided by 0 by 2 equal 3 by 2, 0 by 2 is multiplication reciprocal. 3 2 ja 6, 2 0 ja 0. This is not rational number. Q equal 0, Q not equal 0. Okay, Q equal 0, Q not equal 0. But this is a not rational numbers. So that closure property is not under division set of rational numbers. If A and B, any two rational numbers, then they A divided by B is not rational numbers. So rational numbers are not closed division.